Hey, how you doing? It's Gio Gianta here, and this is video 19 of the Facebook Page Engagement Challenge. I'm excited to bring it to you. This is video 19, and I've been very consistent. I've been making videos every day, so I'm proud of myself, and I want you guys to know that video is not a struggle. You just have to get to doing it, and then whenever you do it after a long period of time, and you stay consistent with it, it becomes easier. So this has been a blessing for me doing this challenge, and I highly recommend that you do the challenge as well. It's a challenge that I created that basically builds your YouTube channel and your Facebook engagement. So if you're trying to build both of them along with the Facebook page, the Facebook fan page, you could build all three of them at one time. And the Facebook fan page has no paid traffic. So I did paid traffic when I first started to um, build my Facebook fan page, but then I stopped actually doing the paid traffic to actually doing the free traffic on Facebook, and I just sent those people from my Facebook page to my fan page. And as you can see right here, I had 73 likes for this week, and I keep building up my personal page and building up my fan page at the same time. So I just wanted to show you the results that I'm having, and in this engagement challenge, I'm actually showing people exactly how I'm getting results on a daily basis and showing them the results that I'm getting. And I'm actually I learned these skills, and whenever you learn these skills to get this engagement, uh, then basically you have people coming to you. I pretty much have a full inbox of people that connected with me all the time, every day. So with this particular post right here, I just posted this about 42 minutes ago, and it has already 11 likes and loves and 2 comments, and I'm gonna get more as time goes on. I posted this about 9 hours ago, and uh, it has 37, 38, 39 likes and loves and 10 comments, and I posted that 9 hours ago, and um, those were really the only posts that I posted aside from this video, and I wanted to give people a sneak peek of the challenge that I'm doing, so that's why I posted the video, and I have a Facebook group that I have people go to who are interested in personal development, inspiration, motivation, and how to do this exact strategy to get leads from Facebook. So if you're trying to build up your Facebook page, you're trying to get engagement, you're trying to get people who really care about your opportunity, it's important to really follow uh, this challenge and see what I'm doing. I would go to video 1, or um, basically just follow from this video. If you're on this video, you could follow it on. It's a 90-day challenge. This is only video 19. I have a lot more to go, but it's not going to be a lot of work. It's not going to be as much work as I thought. I'm already a quarter of the way through there. So I'm going to be on 20 tomorrow. So it's not as much work as I really thought it would be. If you think you have to make 20 YouTube videos, you're going to be like, oh man, 20, you know, 20 YouTube videos, but that's really only about 2 weeks. Really. It's only about 2 weeks of being consistent, but it really don't even feel like I've been doing videos for 2 weeks. It really feels like I've been doing videos for like maybe a week. It doesn't even feel like that long. So if you're trying to get more Facebook engagement and you want to learn these strategies, make sure you click on on that link below this video, and it's going to take you to a page that gives you more information about what I'm doing to get this content and these leads in this engagement. Make sure you click on that link below, and if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I appreciate you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.